Hello guys, welcome to another series of how to save money for car repairs. My name is Michael Chung and today I'm going to show you guys about engine mounting. Okay, so let's go through what is the function of engine mounting. So the engine mount, it will help you to hold your engine, your gearbox in place, while it helps you to absorb the vibrations from the engine and from the transmission, so that you can protect your sensors, you can have a longer life of all the seals, alright, so you can have more comfortable feel when driving, alright, so it helps you to hold the engine in place. So this one will wear out in time, okay? Depends on whether it is original or not. It can last more than 3 to 10 years, alright, for original one. So after a certain point of time, then it will break. Okay, the rubber will deteriorate and it will become hardened. So it won't be able to absorb the vibrations. Okay, so if you can see here that the rubber has already cracked. Okay. In this case, it cannot absorb the vibrations from the engine. But the problem is, when one breaks, then the leftover 3 or the 2 more will be having more load to hold up the engine. So they will break even faster. So when you feel there is a vibration on your car, quickly go and check. Try to replace the engine mounting as soon as possible, so that the others won't break as fast as if one of them already break, left 3 holding the engine and gearbox in place. Alright, so if you don't really sensitive to these kind of things, then when one breaks, the rest of the 3 will break easily and you have to replace the whole set. Alright, depends on your car. Some cars may have 3 engine mounts or some have 4 engine mounts. Alright, so I hope you guys learn something from this, and if the workshop says you may need to replace all the engine mounts, yes, you can do that, but you have to check out all the old parts and see whether they have cracks already, right? So I hope you guys can learn something from this video, and see you!